So I checked for the trademark, and right here is trademark on t-shirts. It has been filed, but it's not yet live. So it's really up to you if to enter this niche or not. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 print-on-demand niche research episode of the week, episode 41. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is Let's Go Brandon, and I really don't know why this is trending, but it's really doing quite well. Look at this shirt, for example, over 1,000 sales, price $19.99, and it hasn't had a chance to have a review yet. So this tells you how fast people have bought it and they're still to leave reviews. So scrolling down, it has not yet had a BSR because it's a fairly new shirt. This is an indication that it is currently trending. And I was quite skeptical of this niche because whenever a shirt trends like this, it's something that is popular. People are currently buying it. So I was skeptical of it and decided to do some research. So I went to Flying Research, went to trademark search to see if anyone has trademarked this. So I went and typed Let's Go Brandon, and I had two results. This one is under books and under clothing. So 1625. Whenever I'm doing trademark search, that's what I'm looking for. I don't usually open this like this, but I just had to open it so you guys can see. So it says here 25 is clothing, and we're making shirts on Amazon, so you have to definitely be careful with this niche. You have to be careful with it because it has been filed on October 5th 2021, and it can go live anytime. And all those who are making designs in this niche, you guys have to be careful because it can go live anytime, and once it's live, your shirts are going to be pulled off and that's a strike on your account. So it is trending quite all right. People are making sales, but I will be careful with it because there is a trademark that has been filed for it. So with that being said, I'm going to go to the next niche. Niche number 2 is this think while it's still legal, and we all know why this is trending, right? If you don't know why, it is because of the abortion or anti-abortion protest that has been going on in Texas. We all know that abortion law is in effect and women are going crazy. They're like several signs, my body, my business, things like that. This one is one of them. It says think while it's still legal, and look at this, 98 sales and no reviews yet. And you guys know that whenever a shirt has so many sales but hasn't had the time to have a review, you have to be careful. You have to, that's an indication that it is trending. So this is one of those shirts. It hasn't had a time to have a review yet or a BSR, and it's already selling. So it's quite a niche to focus on. But anything that has to do with the law, you have to be careful with it. So let me just do a quick search to determine if this niche is safe. Normally I don't do this, I just give the niches, but to be on the safe side, let me just do a quick search, see if it has been trademarked. Nothing yet. So I usually go to Merch Informer tool. So this is the exact steps that I do to verify if a niche is safe to upload to Merch by Amazon or any other print-on-demand platform. And I did some search too for Merch Informer. For Let's Go Brandon, I did click here not so much. Not so much means is the designs that have been removed already. So I did some search for Let's Go Brandon and nothing has been removed yet. That's because the trademark is not yet live. But once it goes live, definitely you'll find some designs that have been removed. So think while it's still legal, shirt. Let me just leave it like that, not so much, and search. Okay, so as of now, there is no shirt that is think while it's still legal that has been removed. Or maybe I should add shirt at the back and see if it pulls any results. Search. Yes, I added shirt and nothing yet, so I think the niche is safe as of now, but I will really be careful with it because it talks about the law, the government, anything that's to do with the law and the government. I just tend to keep away from it because you don't know who might be checking out your shirt and might report your shirt. So I just like to keep away. I just like going for the general niches, and if I want to do something that trends, I really vet it to see if it's very safe. So with that being said, let's move on to the next niche. Niche number 3 is this breast cancer awareness month. We're in breast cancer awareness month. That's October, and I chose this niche because it's a mixture between a job or a career and cancer awareness. So you could mix maybe a manager and cancer awareness. You can mix a firefighter cancer awareness. You can mix a maybe builder or farmer and cancer awareness. So that's just the reason why, like when I mean a builder, maybe you could mix maybe a hammer cancer awareness, or you can call it builder cancer awareness shirt. You can mix those two niches. You could also mix firefighter. You could mix that firefighter truck, or the firefighter hat with the pink ribbon. That could be another niche. So that's the reason why I picked this niche, because you could mix the niches, and you could come up with your own unique design. So this shirt priced $19.90, 19 reviews, 91 sales. Let's look at the BSR. Overall trend is up. Keywords you can use: cancer, breast, stethoscope, awareness month, things like that. Right here is the long tail keywords that I always use. If I'm targeting a niche, I'll just click here and copy all the keywords, or I could come down to flying upload and just get the keywords from there. Moving on to our next niche is this Halloween costume dwarf shirt. So there are several of them. This one is Dopey, I think. Yeah, this one is Zookeeper, another kind of costume. This one is Bashful. So if you know all the names of those dwarfs in Snow White, yes, Snow White, if you know of the names of those dwarfs, you can definitely write the names. This one is Bashful. So I found a couple for you guys. This one is Dopey. This one is Sleepy. This one is Sneezy. So all of those names, it's quite funny, but it's cute too. So many people are buying it. It's trending. Look at this. Overall trend is up. Look at that BSR. It fell from nowhere and just approaching 1. Okay, with that being said, let's move over to our next niche for today. Our next niche for today is, before we go to the next niche, this niche right here, I decided to choose it because it's an indication of a career. It says Zookeeper, and we can always change the career to be something else. For example, for a doctor or a nurse, you could put a stethoscope there, and you could call it nurse. So it will be a nurse costume. For maybe a manager, you can have that manager's tag, the red and white tag with a name on it that says manager. That could be manager's costume. I mean, on the left hand pocket, you could put a design there, well, red or white tag with a red name on it, or red tag with white name on it. It's really up to you how you want to do it, but it's just an idea that is coming to my head, how you can make different niches from different careers. So that's why I chose this shirt, and it's also doing well. Price $13.95, over 76 sales, 32 reviews. Overall trend is up. So moving over to our next niche. This one is also funny. It's a funny type of costume. It's a Dalmatian costume. All this person did was remove the head of the Dalmatian and it made the design very big. So the rest of the body is gonna be on the trunk of your body is gonna lie on your chest, while the head is gonna look like your head is in the place of the Dalmatian. So I chose this niche because you can put different types of dogs and remove all their heads and make different t-shirts. So if, for example, you want to make a German Shepherd dog costume, Halloween costume, and you could just remove the head of the German Shepherd and replace, you don't replace with anything, you just leave it like that and you put it on a shirt. So anyone who is a German Shepherd lover will definitely purchase that costume if they want to wear it for their as a Halloween costume. So the niche is endless. You can even do it with cats, not only dogs. You can do it with cats, you could do it with even a dinosaur. Remove the head of the dinosaur and just put it on the shirt like that, and you call it a dinosaur costume. So the niches are endless, guys. So I saw this, it was pretty funny. I thought to add it to this top 5 niches. And look at this, overall trend is up, current trend is up, over 19 price 19.99, 63 sales, 10 reviews. So moving over to our next niche, I think it's, I don't know, I think I'm on the bonus right now. The bonus niches, I think I've already done the top 5. So this is another one, another shirt that says Karen. So this is what I was trying to say, like a manager, if you want to put in manager's tag, you can definitely do. I was talking about red and white, but this one is pink or white. It's really up to you how you want to do it, and it just is Karen, but in the place of Karen you can put manager. I'm talking about the last niche. So this niche is also a Karen Halloween costume, and it says I want to speak to the manager. Karen is priced $15.98, over 71 sales, 57 reviews. Let's take a look at the BSR. How is it selling? So it's doing well. Overall trend is up. Look at that BSR going there. Keywords you can use: Karen, of course, hilarious, manager, Halloween costume, Hallows Eve, trick or treat, holiday season, and things like that. All right, moving over to our last bonus niche. So this one is another scary, bloody Halloween costume. It just features maybe those who are in love with horror. This will be best for you. It features a white shirt with blood stains on it, with a handprint and things like that. It's just totally gory. So our trend is up. This is a very unique design, guys. This is the first time I'm seeing this, because I'm even surprised that Amazon let this through, because anything that has to do with blood, has to do with killing, they usually take it out of the platform. But surprisingly, maybe that's why it's priced $18.99, 68 sales, 38 reviews. Our trend is up, current trend is up. Look at that, it's already approaching 1. Keywords you can use, very little keywords: Halloween bloody, bloody shirt, Halloween shirt, scary bloody. Very simple keywords, and it's quite selling, but I will really be careful with this. I think it's not enabled on the youth. Let me open it in Amazon and see if it's enabled on the youth. Enabling youth. Wow, it's enabled in youth. Okay. All right, this is definitely strange to me. I was expecting it to have been removed from this. Anyway, if they have accepted it, maybe it's safe, but I will really be careful with this if you want to get into this niche. All right, before we end this video, I just want to quickly talk about the events that are upcoming. This one today is Columbus Day, which is today, event October 11th, and Indigenous Peoples Day, same thing today, in the October 11th. Halloween, of course, all of us have been preparing for. October 31st, and first day of American Indian Heritage Month. Okay, guys, this is a very huge niche right here. You guys know how the Hispanic Heritage Month went, right? So if Hispanic Day Heritage Month went well, obviously the American Indian Heritage Month is gonna go well too. So we should really be focusing on this instead of Halloween, because there are so many Halloween designs up there, guys. It's a battlefield for Halloween designs. I'm not saying you shouldn't upload, but instead of focusing on Halloween, we can focus on American Indian Heritage Month, November 1st. You know, it's not too far away from October 31st, and we can start making sales. If we're the first to upload designs to this niche, definitely it's gonna rank well, and we're gonna keep having sales all through the month. It's a whole month, guys, so take advantage of this and upload as soon as possible. The last event is election day, November 2nd, and daylight saving time ends November 7th. And the reason why you see no design found for this event is because people have not started uploading designs to this event. That tells you that if you're the first person and you get ranked for this event that have no design yet, some people are not even, they're not even aware of it. So if you are aware of it, you upload your design and your design rank, you're gonna be there forever just receiving the sale. So take advantage of this, guys. This one is Veterans Day October 11th, then Thanksgiving November 25th. So I'm gonna allow that for now. Brings us to the end of today's video, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Print on Demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.